So I got my Jaclyn Hill package in the mail today, you guys. So excited to show you guys these lipsticks. I ordered them on launch day. It took 4 days to arrive to me, 4 business days. I did select express shipping for my order. I'm super excited. So this is what it looks like. It actually came open, but I'll just close it real quick. I got the Magi Nude Trio lipstick set, which I'm really excited about. The trio sets retail for $49 and the individual lipsticks are $18 each. This first launch for Jaclyn Cosmetics is really exciting. I've been waiting for this for ages, you guys, literally years. And she launched 20 nudes as part of this first launch. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So inside that box are 3 more boxes, and I like the packaging. It's really nice and chic, and then you see the colors on the outside with the names. Really nice. The names I have are Badass, Independent, and Ambition. All very nice, deeper colors for deeper skin tones, like moi. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the packaging first. So let's just open this up. This is cute. All right, so this is the packaging of the lipstick. It is silver with some glitter on there, but it's not like actual glitter. It's kind of like diamondy glitter. And then it has the J and the H here for Jaclyn Hill. Also, there's a huge rhinestone at the top. It kind of has this like diamond vibe to it because it's very detailed. It's not just like a regular like rhinestone. It has a lot of cuts in there, which is really cute. And on the bottom it has lips and then the name of the color, which is Independent. This is actually really nice. Let me show you guys. This is actually really nice, and you guys know I'm a girly girl, so I'm definitely gonna love all this bling going on here. Like, this is right up my alley. I'm about to be real picky right now, but if I had to change anything on the packaging, it would probably be the initial. I would probably make it like a cursive J. But that's about it. I love everything. I feel like with the diamond, it kind of reminds me of like a cursive, like chic font, and then the brick letter is just like, I don't know. That's just me being picky though. Anyways, let's get into the packaging. It feels really nice and sturdy. I open it up. This is the color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so the inside is really nice. I love the shape of these. It's like an octagon, really nice. Is it an octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is definitely a hexagon. So Jaclyn did mention in her video that she spends a lot of time on the smell of the lipstick, so I am going to smell it. Ooh, this smells really good. Oh my gosh, this smells really nice. Let me try to describe the smell to you guys because this smells amazing. So this is kind of like vanilla sweetness. Like, it doesn't smell like MAC lipsticks, not like that type of vanilla. It smells a little sweeter than MAC. It reminds me of like candy and vanilla. It's really pretty. I love the scent, but it's not super strong. Like, you really have to, the smell is not overbearing at all. You really have to go in and sniff it to smell it. I personally don't really mind products having fragrance. As long as I like the fragrance, I'm okay with it. But I love this smell. I think everyone would like the smell. Like, if you don't like the smell, like, something's wrong with you. Like, it smells good, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna do my first swatch because I'm excited. Oh, this feels creamy. Oh, this is very solid and creamy. It feels really good. This is the first swatch here. And this color is really nice for my skin tone, actually. Like, really pretty. So the lipsticks are cruelty free. They're made in the USA, and they have collagen in there. Like, she said that and I was like, who, collagen? Okay, I'll sign me up. I'm obsessed with collagen in my skincare routine right now because collagen is like anti-aging, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try this first color. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna swatch it on. So this here is Independent, and I feel like it might be my perfect nude in this collection. Like, I really love this color on me. I don't need a lip liner with it, which I love. It looks really good on my skin complexion, and it feels really nice and hydrated. Like, really good and hydrated, you guys. Like, it is gonna transfer because it's not a matte lipstick, but let me show you guys. It's on my hand here. It's not a matte lipstick, so I do expect that from it, but it's so hydrated. Oh my gosh. What I love about lipsticks like this is you can reapply it over and over again, and it's really easy to build it because it has that beautiful like moisturizing formula. Let me take some pictures. This may be my favorite color. This is like an everyday nude color for me. I feel like I can throw this on without any makeup and it will look really nice. I'm going to throw on a gloss so you guys can see what it would look like with a lip gloss because I love glosses. Okay, I'm going to use this MAC gloss called Dangerous Curves, which is one of my new favorites from MAC. It is also nude and I'm going to show you guys next to the color. It's more of like a beigey nude color. Oh, this pairs perfectly. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. With the gloss, you could really see that it goes so well with my skin tone. Okay, I'm in love with this color. I'm sold. Thank you, Jaclyn. Like, I love this color, especially with the gloss. This is, I'm gonna use a baby wipe to take this off. All right, next we're gonna go into badass because we badasses out here, okay? All right, so let's just open this up. And this is badass. It's definitely a deeper color. It's like a chocolatey brown. Oh, I should probably show you guys next to Independent. It feels the same formula wise. This is badass next to Independent. And then I'm going to show you guys on the lips. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so creamy. I can smell the smell a little bit stronger in this one. This color always reminds me of the 90s, like foxy brown. I love this color, you guys. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to show you guys with gloss also because I have to. With gloss in the center, it looks so beautiful. I love this color, you guys. So the last shade I have is called Ambition and it's a really dark chocolate. It's one is more like a neutral chocolate. The other one had slight like red tones to it, like a brick red almost. So this is what it looks like. Really gorgeous, 80s-esque. So this is the final color. I'm gonna add some of Independent to the center, just to show you guys some, you know, variety. And then I'm gonna add some gloss. These lipsticks wear so well with gloss. I definitely love the formula. It layers really well and my lips feel hydrated, although I just scrubbed off lipstick like 3 times. So I'll share my overall thoughts with you guys on the lipsticks. I love the range. I love the formula. I love the way they look on me, the ones that I have at least. I love the way they feel. They layer really nice. In terms of the price point, I do feel like it's a fair price point. It is a step above drugstore. It's not drugstore packaging or aesthetic, but it is not like YSL. I feel like the price point is justifiable and I love that she has the options of getting the trios for $49, which is getting like a little discount, I guess. So I am happy with this launch. The only disappointment I had with the launch was ordering on the first day, which is expected because this was gonna be a crazy launch. I was waiting for like 20 minutes trying to get my order, and also I paid $12 for the expedited shipping. I'm assuming it was expedited, but I'm not really sure because we had a whole weekend in between, so I can't really tell if it was expedited or not because it did take 4 days to arrive. But it's the first launch. I feel like you can't really judge a brand like crazy on the first launch. That's like not fair at all. I can't wait for more products. I'm really excited for more products. I will be picking up more nude lipsticks. I want to get the other trio with Hot Toddy in there. I really want to get that one, but it was sold out. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Congratulations, Jaclyn. I've watched your videos forever. You probably will never see this video, but in case you do, congratulations. You're the bomb. And thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.